Senator Antonio Trillanes is not yet done with Mayor Rodrigo Duterte.
Siniwalat ni retired SPO3 Arthur Las Cañas na galing sa sahod ng umano'y ghost employees ng Davao City ang kanyang sweldo bilang miyembro ng Davao Death Squad o DDS. Sa ulat ng website na Vera Files, sinabi ni Las Cañas na 68,000 piso ang kanyang sweldo kada buwan. Binubuo ito ng mga sahod ng 10 hanggang 100 ng pekeng empleyado. Sinabi na rin noon ng isa pa umanong miyembro ng DDS na si Edgar Matobato sa pagharap sa Senado na nasa payroll siya ng Davao City Hall. Kinwestiyon na rin ng Commissioner Audit o COA noong 2015 si Pangulong Duterte na nooy mayor ng lungsod dahil sa halos 708 million pesos na binayad ng City Hall sa contractual workers.
So, ang nilagay ko doon is, sa pagkaalala ko lang, is siguro mga 2 o 3 tao na totoo. The rest is invento na lang namin. Parang kumbaga may salary sila monthly, pero ako ang kumukuha. In short, is a ghost employee.
Senator Antonio Trillanes is not yet done with Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. Trillanes lodged a plunder complaint against the presidential frontrunner on Thursday. He claims a possible source of the alleged 2.4 billion pesos worth of deposits to Duterte's account involved ghost employees in the Davao City government. Trillanes cited a 2015 Commission on Audit report which showed there were more than 11,000 contractual workers under the LGU in 2014. COA noted there were no documents to prove the employees actually rendered service, but the city government allocated a 708 million peso budget for it.
Mga hindi tunay na tao. Ito ay nasa payroll, binabayaran ng City Government of Davao City na napupunta sa bulsa ni Mayor Duterte na yun nga, na-discover natin dun sa kanyang mga bank accounts. Ito ang smoking gun.
Trillanes also filed a complaint for alleged malversation of public funds and violation of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, citing Duterte's admission that he received a gift from Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, which he says is a violation of the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards of government officials and employees.
Hindi ko mo iniidolo nyo itong si Mayor Duterte ay mali na ako. Yung katotohanan, masakit man, pero talagang kailangan yung tanggapin. I have unmasked him for who he really is.